KLIM Cyclone is KLIM Technology's widest cooler. We are a young company, a small team of Europeans with the goal to bring quality electronics at a fair price. Computers are damaged by heat, especially laptops, due to their inner density. Components are stacked in a very small space, lacking sufficient airflow. Computer overheating induces early wear and tear of components, performance losses, and crashes. We know a laptop is expensive. That's why KLIM Cyclone is a long-term investment, which will protect your computer for an affordable price. KLIM Cyclone is the perfect solution in order to prevent your laptop from overheating. This fan-fitted support raises your computer and dissipates the heat thanks to its powerful yet quiet fans. KLIM Cyclone is so quiet it is hard to imagine it's the most powerful cooler available on the market. But it really is. Featuring 5 fans, 4 of which rotate at 2,200 revolutions per minute. KLIM Cyclone is able to cool your laptop down in less than a minute in order to drop back to a normal temperature. Thanks to its 5 fans, it ensures perfect cooling of all the areas of your laptop. Next-generation gaming laptops usually feature 17-inch screens. KLIM Cyclone is designed for those powerful and massive computers, while smaller fans cannot handle them. From 11 to 19 inches, your laptop will be perfectly stable on top of the Cyclone. KLIM Cyclone is a must-have. It lengthens the lifespan of your PC to the maximum and supercharges its performance. It's a good investment for an affordable price. KLIM Cyclone probably offers the best value for money amongst all coolers. Our engineers designed it as a high-end product, fitted with the best existing materials and a pure gaming look. It is truly built to last. We offer you a 5 years warranty, a token of the trust we have in our products. It's literally a risk-free purchase. Blue or red, pick your color and purchase a KLIM Cyclone through the link to our Amazon shop, contained in the description. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. We'll try our best to answer them as quickly as possible.
Turn up the productivity, not the heat of your laptop. Heavy usage and poor ventilation of your laptop can cause your device to overheat. Keep it cool with the Targus 17-inch dual fan chill mat. With 2 fans to disperse heat, a ventilated mesh surface for the laptop to rest on, and an ergonomic wedge-like design to keep the air properly circulating, this cooling pad is the perfect accessory to keep your laptop running smoothly. Sporting a soft neoprene bottom to rest comfortably on your lap, it's powered by a hideaway USB cable that connects to your device. It even has rubberized feet on the top grille to prevent the laptop from slipping. This offers both comfort and convenience for daily use. Keep it cool with the Targus 17-inch dual fan chill mat.
KLIM Wind is the most popular cooling pad of KLIM Technologies. It has quickly become one of the best-selling coolers on Amazon. We are a young company, a small team of Europeans with the goal to bring quality electronics at a fair price. Computers are very affected by the heat, especially the laptops because of their compactness. The overheating of computers causes premature wear of their components and leads to losses of performance and crashes.
You probably purchased your laptop for a hefty sum of money. The Wind is an inexpensive investment to protect your expensive purchase.
KLIM Wind is the solution to avoid overheating for PCs, laptops, and even PS4, Xbox One, or Wii, if you wish. This ventilated support allows your computer to be lifted, and with its strong but silent fans, dissipates the heat. With its discretion, you won't believe that it is the most powerful cooler on the market. But it is. With its 4 fans spinning up to 1400 rotations per minute, KLIM Wind has the ability to cool your PC to reasonable temperatures in under a minute. The 4 fans allow for cooling of all the areas of your laptop, From 11 to 16 inch, it will fully cover your laptop. From 16 to 19, it will still be extremely stable. It will remain completely still. KLIM Wind maximizes the life expectancy of your PC and boosts its performance. This is a real investment for an affordable price. Indeed, KLIM Wind is one of the best value on the market. Our engineers designed this high-end product with a gaming look and the best quality materials. It's built to last. We offer a 5-year warranty, proving our confidence in our product. It's a no-risk purchase. Green, blue, red or black. Choose your color and purchase the KLIM Wind with the link to our Amazon store in the video's description.
Hey guys, I'm Donnie from Thermaltake, here to talk about the Massive 20 RGB notebook cooler. This cooler contains 256 color RGB LEDs, which utilize 5 lighting schemes: wave, RGB spectrum, pulse, blink, and fully lighted. In fully lighted mode, you have 4 color options: red, blue, white, and green. The built-in 200mm fan has a variable speed controller to set your cooling preference, while the cooler's unique design and large metal mesh provide optimal airflow for notebooks up to 19 inches. The Massive 20 RGB features 3 height settings: 3, 9, and 13 degrees, giving you the best viewing and typing angles. Adjusting the cooler's height also provides additional airflow towards your notebook. Provided is a dual USB Type-A to barrel power cable, which connects to your notebook's USB ports. Light up your gaming experience with the Massive 20 RGB. Head over to our website for more details.